Hi everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this beautiful blue 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner. This thing is beautiful body, gorgeously done. Take a look at this. Great face. 400 cubic inch date-coated engine, disc brakes, power steering, little high rise in there, 4-barrel carb, aluminum radiator, real clean, upgraded headers, real nice sounding dual exhaust, which you'll see. But everything has been gone through. Just see how nice and clean it is underneath here. All your belts and hoses are good. Car runs out real well. We're gonna take her for a spin. See if we can find the coyote. Look at that. All your chrome is great all the way throughout. Front valance, all your badging, all your Roadrunner, real good. I love the horn. Few little paint flaws I found. 400 up here. Look how nice it is. Great stance. I saw a little bit here. See how nice and deep that paint is? I saw another one somewhere else on the hood. All your chrome is good. Somewhere in here, but nothing major. All your glass is good. All your moldings are good. It's got dual sport mirrors. Rally mags factory. Sitting on your TA radials. BF Goodrich. Gaps out exactly the way it should. All the way down. All your glass throughout the whole entire car. I see a little bit of a tiny scratch in the back, but nothing. I'll show you. Look at how nice and straight it is. Nice sounding dual exhaust. Spare tire with a jack. Some receipts. Nice and clean all the way throughout. Seems to have all original panels on there. All your chrome bumper, all your lights are working correctly. I didn't close the trunk, I'll get there. Nice spoiler. Rear quarters in great shape. Beep, beep. Paint's in good shape all the way throughout this side. Gaps out great. Fender to door. Quarter to the door. Look how nice it is. Great stance. Great color. And it's deep. Interior, factory buckets, factory wood wheel. I don't see any rips or tears. Back seat's in good shape. You got a little rip on the back up there. See that little piece of tape? Nothing like black duct tape can't help. That's all good. On the sun visors are intact and your dash is in real good shape. Start this puppy up. Got a real good sound. 43,865 miles. Automatic transmission. All your gauges are working. Lights, wiper, and heater are working. Look how clean it is inside. Madison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're open 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We've got over 200 cars now in stock at our warehouse. MGM Classic Cars, where all our photos, videos, pricing, and description are online. You could call me if you have any questions. We also have special financing if you have good credit, up to 180 months with 10% down, and shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. There's Tony. Bring another Chevelle in. You can always reach me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Let's have a little fun. Beep, beep. Brakes feel good. Steering feels nice. Speedometer is not working, I'm looking at right now, so that's going to have to take a look at. Brakes good, solid. Uh-oh, here comes a truck, so let's let that sucker move. Hang on. Hang on. Reverse seems to kick in gear good. Oh, easy steering. Easy steering. Nice. Let's go, baby. Uh-oh. It's going through its gears good. Solid, I can't jump on it. And let's see what he's doing. There we go. Giddy up. No funky noises. Brakes are good. Disc brakes in front. Let's see what she's got. Oh, yeah. All right. There we go. It turns real good. No noises. Bumpy noises, nothing. 1972 Blue Bayou Roadrunner, date coded 400 with an automatic transmission. 4-barrel is available. Give me a call. There's our service department. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everybody. That's our service center. You'll see me soon. Bye.